Today's topic is about how to start your business in LiveGood as an affiliate and how to navigate the website. I am addressing this to a lot of affiliates out there na naumpisahan na yung kanilang side hustle as an affiliate marketer, especially kung meron ka ng accounts in social media platforms na you are already using. Halimbawa, kung ikaw ay isang Shopee affiliate, 'di ba, marami kang products na pino-promote. Pwede mong idagdag yung Live Good do'n kasi hindi naman isang product lang ang pino-promote mo. You are handling a lot of products that yung nagugustuhan mo and you are sharing it with people na baka rin magkagusto doon sa product. All you have to do is sinishare nyo lang yung link. So, I will be showing you how to do Live Good as a business and how to navigate the platform. Mag-umpisa tayo doon sa registration. This is just very brief kasi meron na akong mga tutorials dito sa channel and you can just check doon sa playlist ng how-tos. Meron doong how to register and become an affiliate in LiveGood. Punta muna tayo doon sa landing page. This is the landing page of LiveGood. I want you to be familiar with it kasi marami ng mga scammers ang ginagaya yung LiveGood. Alam nila na kumikita ang mga affiliates dito and minsan gusto nilang ma-hack yung mga accounts. This is the landing page of LiveGood and you just have to watch this 5 to 6 minute video tour para malaman nyo kung ano si LiveGood and then you have to register using your first name, last name, and your email address. Please, I am asking you if you would pre-register, use a valid email address and then you have to reserve your position. Pre-registration is up to 7 days. Kung nakapag-decide ka na you really want to do Live Good as a business and you want to be an affiliate of the company, you have to register doon sa dashboard. Ang gagawin mo lang is login ka lang uli dito using the same email address and then you have to become a member. Kiklik mo lang doon sa loob ng dashboard na become a member and then you have to pay the one-time affiliate fee of $40 and then the first monthly subscription of $9.95. Yung $40 is a one-time affiliate fee and once you have paid that, you're an affiliate member of Live Good for a lifetime, even though if you have canceled your monthly subscription, for example, and then you bumalik ka sa Live Good after ilang months nang kinancel mo yung iyong subscription, ang babayaran mo lang actually is $9.95 and yung $40 is hindi mo na siya babayaran kasi one-time fee nga lang siya. This is a business na $9.95 monthly subscription which allows you to market the product. You can market the products using your own landing page and websites, but you are not required to enroll people or buy the products. Kasi ang karamihan talaga sa network marketing, especially if the company is carrying products, kailangan mong mag-purchase ng products. Package purchase doon sa registration is kasama na yung purchase ng products. Package siya. And then you have to buy it monthly in order to maintain your affiliation with the company and to earn your commissions. But in Live Good, you just have to pay your monthly subscription. There is no need to buy or sell the products or enroll people. But if you want to really experience the goodness of the products, because Live Good is selling this organic health supplements at affordable price, ito yung landing page. I want you to be familiar with this kasi para hindi kayo ma-scam. Punta tayo doon sa navigation pane. If you have already decided within 7 days na maging affiliate ng Live Good, ang mangyayari is magkakaroon ka ng iyong sariling dashboard. Ganito ang appearance ng dashboard once you are already a member or an affiliate member in Live Good. By the way, meron palang dalawang klase ng membership dito sa Live Good. Yung una is yung affiliate member and yung pangalawa is yung member lang. Yung member is parang parang you are a member, parang club membership kasi ito, di ba? You are just a member in order for you to avail nung products up to 75% discount, okay? Ang babayaran mo lang if you are just a member consumer is $9.95 per month, okay? But if you want to be an affiliate, merong one-time fee na $40 as I have said earlier. So, ganito yung ating navigation pane dito sa ating Live Good website, sa back-end ng website. Now, if you want to start this as a business, kailangan mong pag-aralan ito. Lahat naman ng business is pinag-aaralan. Kung hindi mo ito kayang pag-aralan, don't do the business, okay? But if you are really interested and if you want to earn, you have to really learn this. Unang-una dito is yung home. Sa home, ito yung makikita mo. Yung shop now, dito sa loob ng website or ng iyong backend ng website, pwede ka nang dito direkta mag-shop. O want to see all the matrix, makikita mo lang dito. Makikita mo yung iyong mga contacts dito, yung mga taong nag-pre-register or nag-register under sa'yo. Ito yung iyong websites. And then you have my membership. Yung my membership is makikita mo dito yung iyong membership. Halimbawa, congratulations on being member of LiveGood. You are on a yearly membership program. Kasi ang inavail ko sa LiveGood is yung yearly kasi pag yearly, meron kang 2 months na discount. So, mas makakatipid ka doon and hindi mo na iisipin yung subscription mo monthly. By the way, dito pala sa LiveGood is you have to maintain your monthly subscription na 9.95 and if in case na hindi mo siya nabayaran doon sa due date mo within the month, meron ka pang allowance until the end of the month. Before mag-change, halimbawa February, before mag-March, kailangan mabayaran mo siya sa end of month ng February. Pag hindi mo siya nabayaran until February, midnight ng February 29, malalaglag ka doon sa tinatawag na matrix and mawawala ka doon sa position mo kasi ang network marketing is positioning, okay? But take note, ang leave good is you have an allowance until the last day of the month. Kahit lumagpas na yung due date. Halimbawa, ang due date mo is February 15. Now, lumagpas yung February 15, hindi ka ba nakabayad ng iyong membership, monthly membership, meron ka pa until the end of the month until February 29. Dapat mabayaran mo yung iyong monthly para ma-maintain mo yung iyong membership. Dito sa shop, makikita mo na lahat ng mga products. You can click the learn more para pag-aralan mo yung mga products. So, pwede mo silang pag-aralan dito. Halimbawa, yung multivitamins for women, makikita mo dito yung price comparison, yung member price, and yung retail price, and yung description. Ito na rin kung paano gamitin, yung ating seals of approval. Ito. And yung product comparison to similar products in the market. Ito yung sa atin, 9.95, yung member price, and yung competitor price is ito. So, napakataas ng difference. Kahit ang gamitin mong price is yung retail price na 14.95, mas mababa pa rin siya dito sa retail price ng competitors. And then, meron na din tayong product reviews dito. So, makikita nyo na napakaganda ng ating product reviews. Hindi mo ikakahiya na talagang i-market or i-promote itong products ng LiveGood. Balik tayo doon sa home ng ating products. Pag halimbawang bibili yung inyong mga kaibigan or mga kakilala, relatives, ang ating products ay coming from Florida sa USA and Germany. Dalawa lang ang warehouse natin in Florida and in Germany and merong plans to put up other warehouses. Ang suggestion ko kung gusto nyong ma-experience kung gaano kaganda yung products ng LiveGood is buy it kasi mura lang naman yung ating International Wellness Pack. Meron na ditong 6 products, 5,000 plus lang ito in pesos. Anim na siya, good for a month kung gagamitin mo siya daily. But if hindi naman, syempre lalagpas siya ng 1 month. But I suggest na since this is part of the wellness pack na needed ng iyong body talaga, especially if you are already getting older like me, kailangan talaga natin ito, okay? Yung cousin ko nga kasi regular siyang gumagamit nito. She is 1 year older lang sa akin and she is constantly using these products. Yung comparison ng kanyang blood works, after ilang months na siyang gumagamit ng product nito, ang sabi ng doctor niya is, meron kang blood work na katulad ng isang teenager. That is really very good. Ibig sabihin is potent yung products ng LiveGood and it is really very good for our well-being. Subukan mo ito kasi free naman yung shipping. Itong ating International Wellness Pack, 5,000 plus lang siya in pesos. In dollars, that is 89.95 doon sa members. Let's go to the next. Ang sunod natin is auto ship. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng auto ship? Hindi ito yung auto ship na required or requirement sa'yo na kailangan mong bumili ng products monthly para makuha mo yung iyong commission. No. Yung auto ship is kung ayaw mong maubusan ng products, halimbawa, gumagamit ka ng products monthly and ayaw mong maubusan sa susunod na month, hindi ka naka-order, so hindi ka naka-take ng products mo. Kung gusto mong tuloy-tuloy yung supply ng products sa iyo, pwede kang mag-avail ng automatic shipment. Isi-set up mo lang siya and mag-auto-charge siya doon sa card na ginagamit mo or doon sa e-wallet na ginagamit mo. And marireceive mo yung product monthly. Pwede mo siyang stop anytime na ayaw mong i-auto ship siya. Ganun lang siya kadali. Then may info, makikita nyo dito yung personal info, may details, yung payment info na ginagamit mo, and yung shipping address. Ganun lang. Order history, dito mo makikita yung mga orders na ginawa mo, yung iyong binayaran na monthly, yung iyong mga in-order na products. Ako, dalawa pa lang dito. One time pa lang naman ako umorder sa Live Good, and then 1 year membership fees. So, dalawa lang ang makikita dito sa akin. Pupunta tayo sa My Team. Dito sa My Team, dito mo makikita yung members under you or yung mga tao na nag-enroll under sa'yo. Dito pala sa iyong My Team, nandito yung View Enroller Tree, Matrix List View, and your Powerline View. So, dito mo sila makikita lahat. And next is my referrals. So, yung mga taong nag-enroll under you or mga taong nag-pre-enroll under you. Yung my enroller, mga upline, and kung kaninong diamond leader ka under. Ganun lang siya. And then the leaderboard, dito mo makita yung top affiliates na may pinakamaraming members na na-enroll. Ito yung mga direct enrollees. Okay. In my websites, ito yung website mo. Ito yung mga link na kailangan mong i-copy. Kakopy mo yung link na to. Ito yung mga link na i-share mo doon sa iyong website, sa iyong social media accounts. Ito yung landing page. Ito yung parang pinaka-funnel ng Live Good. Dito makaka-capture yung email address and other details about dun sa tao na nag-register. So, pwede mo silang i-follow up if you would like. And then, yung retail site is yung site na ibibigay mo doon sa mga taong gustong bumili ng products. And meron tayo ditong Live Good site. Ito yung corporate site na makikita nung taong pinadalhan mo nung link, yung comparison ng member and retail price. Meron tayong product pages. Itong ating cardiovascular support, Super Reds, and then yung Super Greens. Sa iyo lahat ng link na yan, pwede mong i-forward sa iyong mga kaibigan at kakilala na gusto mong mag-enroll sa Live Good o gustong bumili ng products sa Live Good. And then, naandito yung ating mga webinar schedule. Of course, dito ginaganap yung mga trainings and mga updates, okay? Apat ito. You just have to click the links para makapag-attend. And take note, ano to, yung 8 p.m. sa kanila is 8 a.m. dito sa atin. And yung 12 noon sa kanila is 12 midnight dito sa atin. So, you have to adjust kung gusto mong mag-attend ng live. Pero kung hindi naman, pumunta ka lang sa ating corporate YouTube channel kasi naando nito lahat. Okay? Pwede mong mapanood anytime you want. And next is yung ating statistics. Sa statistics, dito mo makikita kung gaano karami yung nag-click sa iyong link na sinishare sa iyong social media accounts. And next is my earnings. Sa my earnings, dito mo makikita lahat ng earnings na pumapasok sa iyo. And meron ditong payment option, transfer commission, view pay plan, view rank, credit wallet. So, kailangan mong pag-aralan lahat yan. Meron na akong mga ginawang tutorials tungkol dyan na pakicheck na lang doon sa how-tos if you want to study furthermore. Pero pwede mo talaga itong pag-aralan dito, kahit dito sa mismong loob ng website kasi very detailed naman siya. Madali lang siyang pag-aralan. And then meron namang ano dito, FAQs, mga kailangan mong malaman tungkol sa Live Good, yung mga frequently asked questions na makikita mo dito. Contact us. If meron kang mga katanungan na hindi masagot ng iyong peers or ng iyong upline, pwede kang mag-email sa Live Good Support. And if meron kang questions tungkol sa paggamit ng products, tungkol sa health, pwede kang mag-send ng email kay Lisa, yung ating Director of Product Education. Also, makikita mo dito yung pay plan, dito sa baba, nandito yung pay plan, policies and procedures, terms, refund policy, and then yung certificates of analysis. Very transparent yung Live Good when it comes to its products. Lahat ng ingredients nakalista doon sa product mismo and dito sa ating certificates of analysis. Every product ng Live Good merong certificates of analysis. Okay. Pag chinek mo yung ating pay plan, meron itong earn income 7 ways. 7 ways tayo dito. Yung weekly fast start commissions, that is 50% noong ibinayad ng iyong enrollee. Okay? So, that is $25 to 10 levels deep. Yung ating matrix commission is 2.50, that is $0.25 per tao na na-enroll mo. Meron kang commission doon. Yan yung tinatawag na matrix commission na kahit hindi ka nag-enroll o bumili ng product, as long as you are maintaining your monthly subscription of $9.95, pwede kang kumita ng $2,047.50 monthly. Okay? But, kung mag-enroll ka ng tao, kung ikaw ay bronze, kahit 2 tao lang in-enroll mo, magdo-double siya. 1495.50 hanggang sa diamond is 16383.50. Meron pa tayong matching bonuses. Meron kang 50% doon sa personally enrolled, and doon sa silver 10 hanggang sa diamond meron kang 3% hanggang 5th generation. Ito ang pinakamalaking bonus dito, okay? Kasi kung halimbawa meron kang na-enroll na 100 katao, meron kang 50%. If direct na enroll mo sila, meron kang 50% doon. Since may mga tao pa itong under sa kanila, kikita ka pa rin doon hanggang sa 5th generation. No? Pag-aralan nyo na lang ito kasi nakasulat naman lahat dito. Retail commission is, ito yung may commission ka doon sa mga taong bibili ng product na hindi member. Yung customer acquisition bonuses is meron kang fast start commission when a new enrolled member is bumili ng products. Halimbawa ako sa'yo, first time ko bumili ng products sa Live Good, meron kang 10% doon sa total amount ng binili niyang product. So hanggang 10th level siya. Okay, influencer bonuses, same as yung retail commission, but ito is yung pag marami ang bumibili sa'yo or in bulk. Pwede mo siyang makuha in 100%. Diamond and Crown Diamond bonus pool, 2% ng total sales of the entire company. Pag naka-diamond ka na, meron kang 2%. Pinaghati-hati yung 2% na yun. Pag Crown Diamond ka, meron ka pang additional na 0.5% doon sa overall sales ng company between all Diamond Crown members. If you want to study the compensation plan more, naandito yung video. So, kiklik mo lang ito and you have to watch this. That's all. Pag tiningnan mo, it's really very simple. Kung gusto mo talaga itong pag-aralan, madali lang. Kahit sa isang araw, kaya mong pag-aralan ito if you are really very interested and kaya mo nang umpisahan agad yung business sa Live Good and to market this. Kasi marami naman sa group, kung gusto mong sumali is i-refer ka lang sa group and then you can grab all the necessary promotional materials that you want and you can also make your own copy. Pwede kang gumamit ng ChatGPT or kung gusto mong gumawa ng sarili mong visuals, pwede mong gamitin ang Canva, pwede mong gamitin Adobe Express or other software na pwede kang gumawa ng visuals regarding promotional materials. So, that's all. Hoping na nasundan nyo ako doon sa aking presentation nitong ating back-end ng website and how to start your affiliate marketing career in Live Good. If you are interested to join under my team, I will be placing the link on the description and you may just visit the landing page. See you again next time. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye!